This is how to find out if another person posted your YouTube video on his YouTube channel. All right, I call that person a lazy creator. Such persons, first is to launch your Google Chrome web browser or any web browser you use. Visit studio.youtube.com and log in. So mine is loading. All right, once you log in successfully, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Take a look at this section here, okay, and click on content detection, okay. Now, if anybody posted the original video you created on your YouTube channel, you will see the list of videos here. All right. And when you see the list of videos here, you click on anyone and inform YouTube to either remove it from that person's channel. Okay, that would be a fine you will feel, or that they should give that person a strike and still remove it. So the decision is yours. If you tell YouTube, give this guy a strike and remove the content from my channel from his channel, they will do that. All right. So let's take a look at some of these tabs here. If I click on removal request, you will see I have done one. Okay, one guy posted my YouTube video on his channel. All right, and YouTube gave me notification, and I informed YouTube remove it from his channel. All right, and later I contacted the guy and told him don't try it again. If you do that, I will tell them to give you a strike. So you don't need to start searching through the YouTube section to see who posted your video. All right, once you are here on this content detection, if anyone matches, they will show you and the channel name, okay, and how to contact the person. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on IT, information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.